Hello everybody, this is Himanshu Rathore from Department of Mechanical Engineering from Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today we are going to discuss our topic Management of New Product Development and Launch from subject to Product Development and Launching. In our lecture second, we are going to cover topic Product Planning and Introduction. Product Planning and Introduction. What is Product Planning? Product Planning involves scheduling the product task and determining resource requirements. The product plan is first laid out during the concept development phase, although it is a dynamic entity and continues to evolve through the development process. Product tasks may be dependent on each other in three basic ways: sequential, parallel, and coupled. In a sequential task are those where the dependency imposes a sequential order in which tasks must be completed. In parallel, dependency task on the right depends on the middle two tasks. We call the middle two tasks parallel because they are both dependent on the same task but are independent on each other. C. In coupled tasks are mutually dependent. Each task requires the result of the other task in order to the coupled task either must be executed simultaneously with continual exchanges of information or must be carried out in a iterative fashion. This is a flow diagram of sequential, parallel, and coupled. In first block, receive and accept specification, transfer to concept general selection. Now design beta cartridges is sequential. In parallel, design beta cartridges, produce beta cartridges, develop testing programs, last test beta cartridges. This is parallel. And coupled, as we see, test beta cartridges, design production cartridges, design mold, design assembly tooling, and last one is purchase assembly equipment. It's coupled. Now tools for product task. There are various tools for product task. The designer structure matrix is DSM, Gantt chart, program evaluation, revenue technique, PERT chart, the critical path. Now element of product plan, product task list, team staffing and organization. Product schedule, product budget and timing. In product budget timing, resource allocation, product timing. In product timing, timing of product introductions, technology readiness, market readiness, competition, product risk plan. Baseline product planning. The product planning is the roadmap for the remaining development effort. The plan is important in coordinating the remaining tasks and in estimating the required development resources and development time. The result of the concept development phase plus the product plan make up the contract book. The contract book. A contract book we use to document the product plan and the result of the concept development phase of the development process. The concept of the contract book is detailed by the Wheelwright and Clark in 1992. Important point for baseline project. Modifying the baseline plan. Second, accelerating projects. The first set of guidelines applies to the project. 1. Start the project early. 2. Manage the project scope. 3. Facilitate the exchange of essential information. 4. Complete individual tasks on the critical path more quickly. Aggregate safety times. Eliminate some critical path tasks entirely. Eliminate waiting delays for critical resources. Overlap selected critical tasks. Pipeline large tasks. Outsource some tasks. Perform more iteration quickly. Decouple tasks to avoid iteration. Consider sets of solution. Thank you. That's all for lecture second.